Dobar dan I dobrodošli. Hello and welcome to our Croatian learning journey. Join us as we navigate our way to learning the Croatian language. We will share with you lessons we used and tips that we have found helpful to try and understand Croatian better. We hope this will help you on your journey too.
The light in the kitchen stopped working on Monday, so I have made an online booking with an electrician to come to my home at 11 East Street, Tuzla. I just got an email saying that the electrician will be coming on Wednesday at 10 a.m.
I've just changed the fuse in the meter box. Upravo sam promijenio osigurač u kutiji brojila. Can you please come into the house and check to see if the plug is working now? Mogu li, molim vas, ući u kuću i provjeriti radi li utikač?
Yes, please come in, I will show you where the light is.
Da, molim vas uđite, pokazat ću vam gdje je svjetlo.
I did notice a smell coming from the light.
Primijetio sam miris koji dolazi od svjetla. The plug is burnt out, so I am replacing it. Utikač je pregorio, pa ga mijenjam. The plug is replaced and the light is working now. Utikač je zamijenjen i svjetlo sada radi.
Thank you, how much do I owe you?
Hvala, koliko sam ti dužan. 59 kuna. 59 kuna.
Can I pay you by credit card?
Mogu li vam platiti kreditnom karticom? Certainly. Sigurno.